What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got something really special to show you guys. I am sponsored by 1UP Lighting, and today they sent me a kit for the IS300. I got Eric be helping me install the whole kit, and everything is in prep for Driftcon After Dark tomorrow. So I'm gonna hopefully have this video out as soon as possible, vlog Driftcon, and then you guys will see the whole show go down. Right now, Eric would be laying out all the pieces to see how everything will be test fitted, and we'll just go from there. Note to self, don't step on the strips, but luckily it still works. Everything is still in one piece. God, I almost gave myself a heart attack. Oh fuck that. I can step on it again. Okay. I'm trying to step on it. That looks so good.
Alright, let's say all work.
Yeah, they work.
Before you just put them all on.
Right now we got a zip tie down right there. It came with some like rubber like hangers, and then it had some 3M tape on it. We're gonna double side tape it. One right there. Alright, so the plan is, since the intercooling piping is right here, it's gonna block some of the visibility, but on this side, everything is fine. Since my blow valve is right here, I'm gonna have Eric hook it up to a point that it can shine, so you can see the valve, and then it kind of just worked perfectly well. Alright, you gotta do it again so I can cut that out and then pretend that it happened again.
So wait, so what do you want me to do?
Snap it in half again.
I don't know if this will or not. Yep. Are you kidding me? Damn it. Yep, broke right off.
I'm gonna probably just leave the whole clip in there at this point.
Yeah, so they pretty much put this plug on, or this connector on backwards. And I don't know how this is gonna twist into this. That don't work. Boom! Easy fix. Flip it around, put some electrical tape on it. She ain't going nowhere.
Alright guys, so the kit is officially on the car. I just want to give a huge shout out to Fodak AutoWorks, and if you guys really like this kit, I will have a link down below, and don't forget to use my code BNG to save your guys 10% off your order. This kit was literally plug and play. It took Eric around like 2 to 3 hours to install this whole kit, and the kit literally does wrap all around the IS. Oh my god. This is literally all night. Oh, there it is. As I was saying, this kit was like literally just made for this car. For the whole strip, it literally wrapped around the side skirts, like literally front to end, and yeah, it just fit perfectly well, and this is really bright too, so you can literally just see it. Like, it's really well made. I think earlier in the video you did see me accidentally step on it, but luckily everything worked totally fine. I think it was just like the rubber that just kind of got squished, but everything works perfectly fine. And if you guys really want to pick this up, like I said, use my link and my discount code BNG and save you guys some money. But just like that, I hope you guys have a good one. Peace. Alright guys, the kit is oh my god. Alright guys, I just wanna, alright guys, and save your guys, and it will save you guys 10% off on your order. If you guys really like this kit, you guys can pick it up. You guys can pick one up. You guys can